This video is going to show you how to install Visual Studio Community, which is the free version of Visual Studio by Microsoft. It's version 2022, which is the new version, and it's my preferred IDE for programming in C++. There are a variety of free ones out there, but I think Visual Studio 2022 is my favorite. And you just need to go to the website and click on the Download Visual Studio. Once you load the installer, you're going to get to this spot here, the Visual Studio installer, and there's one thing I want to point out to you in particular. You'll notice on this page here, there's a variety of different options that you can use when you're installing Visual Studio. The one that we need is the desktop development with C++. That allows you to create desktop applications, applications that we're going to be running on Windows. So that's the one that you want to select. And you'll notice the options are ready to load. And then you can click on Install and begin to load Visual Studio.